In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a graph in Smartsheet step by step using dashboards and charts. This is perfect if you want to visually track progress, performance metrics, or any kind of data from your sheets in a clean and professional way. Graphs in Smartsheet are extremely useful for reports, stakeholders, and team updates. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Smartsheet home screen. This is where all your sheets, reports, and dashboards are managed. From the home screen, look toward the top left area and click on the Create button. This is where Smartsheet allows you to create new items, like sheets, reports, and dashboards. After clicking Create, you'll see several options. From this list, click on Dashboard. Dashboards are what allow you to combine charts, metrics, and visuals all in one place. If this is your first time creating a dashboard, Smartsheet will guide you through the process. Go ahead and click on Get Started. This will open a new blank dashboard where you can begin adding elements. Now that your dashboard is open, look for the Add button, usually found in the top menu of the dashboard editor. Click on Add to see all the widgets you can include in your dashboard. From the widget options, click on Chart. This is what allows you to create graphs directly connected to your Smartsheet data. Once the chart widget opens, the next step is to connect data to it. Click on Add Data. Smartsheet will prompt you to choose a sheet or report that contains the data you want to visualize. Select the sheet that has the relevant data for your graph. After selecting the sheet, choose the columns you want to use for the chart. You'll be able to define your horizontal axis, vertical axis, and the type of chart you want, such as a bar chart, line chart, or pie chart. Adjust the chart settings to match your needs, including labels, colors, and legends, so your graph is easy to read and understand. Once everything looks good, click Save to add the chart to your dashboard. Your graph will now appear on the dashboard and automatically update whenever the underlying sheet data changes. This makes Smartsheet graphs incredibly powerful for real-time tracking and reporting. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Smartsheet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.